here's when Apple Intelligence will likely release. See schedule and features. The launch of the latest iPhone 16 series was greeted with a warm welcome by iPhone lovers and experts alike. But it could have been warmer had the iPhone maker incorporated its much-awaited suite of AI features named Apple Intelligence. To the delight of those eager, the iPhone maker earlier hinted at the rollout of the first batch of Apple Intelligence features soon, but no timetable accompanied the announcement. But fret not if you're feeling betrayed, as the release schedule of Apple Intelligence in a full-fledged manner has surfaced courtesy of Bloomberg's Mark Gurman. The prominent tech reported in his latest Power On newsletter claimed that Apple Intelligence features will be launched on October 28, coupled with iOS 18.1. As per what Android Authority reported, Gurman believes that the tech giant is taking more than it should only to cast out any potential bugs. As to what sort of features will be offered in the AI suite, Apple disclosed that the initial series of Apple Intelligence features will include writing tools aimed to aid with rewriting, proofreading, and summarization. Other features in Apple Intelligence will entail natural language search for photos, the cleanup tool to remove objects from photos, and the ability to make a nostalgic video compilation of your old memories with just a prompt.